So okay, we've just had lunch. We're about to go into the battery factory, check over some batteries that are about to be delivered, make sure they're built to spec, and we're going to place another big order for the next few months of production. So let's go and have a look inside.
Since the release of the Raptor 2, we've always strived to improve the product as much as possible. Today we're going to our battery manufacturer to improve the battery welding process, among other things to ensure a long lifespan for the battery packs.
Yeah, I see. So that's why we need to make sure that the welds are more than normal, stronger than what you would normally provide to a customer. But the current has to be, the current has to be higher because the welds have to be much stronger for skateboard batteries. I don't believe that it'll damage the cells very much. The heat, the extra heat, I don't think it'll damage very much. I think it's okay.
Here, it doesn't flex that much.
Yeah.
A little bit, but not that much.
You can kind of tell. It's clipped, right? It doesn't fall out. But when you apply some weight, this is just a little bit. Maybe 2 millimeters, something, 3 millimeters. It's acceptable. Because we need to ensure these are strong welds. You know, we have, like, look. I can bend it without any welds breaking. It's very strong.
There is one other option. See this? See the nickel strip?
Yes.
Yeah.
The gap in there, it reduces the resistance between the probes. So it means you can get a stronger weld with less current. Yes, less current can be used, but you get a stronger weld. Make a little sample. Make a sample.
Mechanically, it is weaker.
Yeah. So the first layer you might get a better weld, and then the second layer you use the normal one over the top.
Because the second layer is just for current reinforcement. That's all.
Exactly right.
With the feedback and knowledge we gained, we were able to make improvements to our battery manufacturing processes. We're now developing our own custom-made nickel strips that allow for stronger, more consistent welds that can handle the high shock, high vibration environment that occurs when riding at high speeds of 40 to 50 kilometers an hour.
Yeah, good.
Good. Okay?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean, that's what I mean. Keep it, okay.
Keep the
thickness is the same, but the total width can be
the whole inside.
The exact perimeter.
Yeah.
Strong. Yeah.
Oh, we punctured it. That's good news.
Yeah.
Nice. Pulled it straight out.
You punctured the first layer?
Yeah. No, we pulled the, we actually
it tore the material. The weld was that strong.
Yeah.
We actually literally ripped the cell out, which is bad. But
It's bad.
it'll start leaking in a little, but it's not a big deal. You'll be fine. I did it all the time. Yeah, the thermistor, it's essentially going to start speaking to the Unity. And we're going to put it essentially where the battery is likely to get the hottest. Yeah, right there. So we'll put it right in the series connection, or similar, close. So that way the Unity can speak to the battery, essentially, and you can use the most possible current without damaging the battery. It just increases the life expectancy of the battery and the usability.
Tesla cells, everyone. Tesla.
That's
They're not good enough for us. We're looking for other options. You have high capacity, high discharge, or inexpensive, right? Yeah. Or you can't have all three, rather. So I found the highest temperature to be here.
These new changes will be implemented in the upcoming Raptor 2.1 production starting in November.
Thank you guys.
Thank you. See you next time.
Yes, definitely. All right. Bye-bye.
Subscribe for more videos on how we build the Raptor 2. Thanks for watching.